I feel bad about cutting in line, but I'm on a mission.
It's hard to smell anything past that waffle cone.
Excuse me?
Hang on, kid.